Hi guys, it's the Piano Rescuers, William here. So there's a little backstory about this piano here that we're trying to save. It was actually stored in a hot shed for at least 3 years, so a lot of the internals were misaligned in the process, but we've just aligned the hammers now, and now it sounds fine. Let's give it a listen. And that was Chopin's Minute Waltz. Stay tuned for more, as we'll be completely repurposing this piano entirely. It's a nine-dove baby grand piano, by the way. Peace.
Alright guys, and a message from me, Matthias. How's everybody? So we got called up to come and fix this baby grand piano. It was in really bad condition. It didn't play, had a lot of buzzing, misaligned hammers. So the piano was inspected by a fellow piano tech, and you know, it was assessed as a lot of work and maybe not worth fixing, so they just said it can't be fixed. But we, the Piano Rescuers, we love fixing these mechanical components of the piano, and you know, even replacing the keytops is a big job. It can take, you know, about 5 or 6 hours, and it all has to be sanded, machined, glued on. So yeah, so stay in tune. We're gonna overhaul this piano, and hopefully it'll sound good and play good again.